Hey everybody, it's Andrew with Innovative Dent Repair. I just wanted to make a little video on how I repair dents. I've been having a lot of people asking me if I repair dents with suction cups or dry ice or something like that. And that's really not how it's done. A real professional is going to get in behind a dent like this, the one that we have here, and repair it from the inside. Basically, you know, we use a bunch of different tools to get back inside the panel and push it out from the inside. If you ever see anybody using or say that they're going to use a suction cup or dry ice to fix something, that's not a professional. You don't want to pay them to do the job. But follow along as I fix this one and I'll show you how it's done. So on a dent like this, I'm going to pull this liner down out of here. That way I can get access to the back of it. All cars have like a plastic liner that goes on the inside of it, just to keep the dirt and stuff that's getting kicked up from the road, just to keep it from getting up inside the mechanicals of the car. So basically the liner is inside of here and you can just access the back of the panel here. So I got this one kind of pulled out a little bit, and then I can take a clip out here, set it back a little bit, and then I'll have access for my repair. Okay, so I'm going to start this dent off by using a big broad tool like this one. This is actually a rubber ball tip that's on the end of this. So I got my access here, I pulled the liner down, and I'm just going to get my tool up in there and start making pushes. I'm going to start by trying to get this edge pushed out a little bit. That's holding a lot of stress on this panel here. So, and the light that you're seeing here is what I use for a reflection. Basically, I'm seeing the reflection of this dent, and when I make pushes like this, I can actually see my tool pushing through the panel there. You probably can't see it, but when you're looking at just a right angle, you can see that tool pushing right up through there. I want to go slow so that I can make a bunch of pushes and not make any real high spots or anything like that to where I have to push them back down. So whenever I've got that edge pushed out like that, I can kind of get up in behind here, and the dent is pretty loose now. You can kind of see it's moving back and forth, but it's actually holding pressure right here. So what I have to do is get that pressure out of there. So I'm going to have to work this high spot down so that I can get that dent to stay out that way. Yeah, so basically from this angle, I'm working the dent from the other direction. So I can see this crown that's formed here. Basically, that's like a big high spot that's holding a lot of pressure in on the dent. So I'm gonna try to flatten that out now. I do feel like another key to good repair is to make really goofy faces while you're doing a dent repair. Maybe stick your tongue out. Makes it seem like you know what you're doing. Hey guys, just finished this one up. Turned out really nice. I'm going to do a little bit more detailing work with this sharp tip tool and get it back to the customer. But that's pretty much how we do it. I'm going to buff it up just a little bit more and clean it up, put it back together and get it back to the customer. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thanks.